I'm using here 2 cups of chicken stock. This is good for a cup of rice. I'm using your basmati rice. This is a long grain rice, so just wash it until starch comes out. Then add in some turmeric powder. Then stir it until turmeric powder dissolves. Then add in washed rice. Stir it until all combine, and then put the lid on. Then I'm baking the chicken that I rubbed with herbs, spices for 350 degrees. And here I have ingredients for my rice. I have the broccoli, tomatoes, onions and garlic, and a fresh salad with a French dressing, topped with Parmesan cheese. Chicken is almost done. Now we are making the turmeric rice. Pan, put oil and a slice of butter. So we are on the side. Add the onions and the garlic. Saute it. Then add the chopped broccoli. Saute for 2 minutes. To give a nice flavor on the chicken, I'm adding 2 slices of lemon to the chicken so it will absorb the juice. We can now add the cooked rice. Mix it nicely. And then we can now add the chopped tomatoes. Stir it. And a drizzle of lemon juice. Add the spring onions. And then give it a mix. Okay, chicken is ready. Turn it on. Look at that. Came up nice with the asparagus, with the crispy skin of the chicken. Now plate the chicken into the plate. Put it nicely. Then put back the slice of lemon and put your rice. And then the asparagus beside. Then garnish it with cilantro. And this is it. Baked chicken with a turmeric rice and a side asparagus.